I'll never catch him while I'm this small. Why, curious butterflies.
You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course.
Good morning, everyone. So today I'm gonna be doing a what I eat in a day. It's currently 9:30. I woke up not too long ago. I'm gonna grab some water just because I haven't touched any food, nothing, just because I want to show it for the video. So let's go make some breakfast. I woke up hungry today and I don't even know why because I ate dinner last night, but let's go make something to eat and yeah, let's get started. I drank lots of water throughout the day. Right now I'm gonna tan and do a quick little workout with my resistant band, and I have to stay hydrated. I'm all showered. I finished tanning and working out. I'm a little hungry, so I'm gonna make an acai right now. I usually do a smoothie, but when I went to go buy my frozen fruits and stuff, there was no more. People are panic shopping and there's nothing in the supermarket. So I picked up this acai frozen thing. I had acai before, but I've never made it myself. So we're gonna try it. It just has to leave it out for 1 to 2 minutes so it can thaw for a little bit. So I'm gonna just leave this out and then we're gonna prepare it. Let's go ahead and just put the pack in here. And then you can add any other fruits. I have frozen mango, which is actually the only frozen fruits I have right now. So I'm gonna just add that. Next, we need 1/4 cup of liquid. I'm gonna just use almond milk because why not? So we'll just do that. My mom actually told me that we have strawberries. I didn't even know. I didn't check very well. So I'm gonna just add some frozen strawberries too. And then I might add a little bit more almond milk. I'm just not gonna measure it. I set up what I want to top my bowl with. Honestly, I can even use these packets to just make a smoothie, but might as well just make an acai bowl. So let's go ahead and just put this in here. I'm gonna cut up some strawberries and bananas. And then my favorite, I've never tried this granola, but it looked good and it was cheap, so we're gonna try it. You could even split this with 2 people, but I'm gonna go enjoy my little bowl now. Hey guys, so it is lunchtime and I just did my makeup. I got ready, put on a cute outfit, even though I'm not going anywhere. But I did a little winged eyeliner, put some lashes. I'm really feeling this makeup look. Definitely gonna be like my go-to like glam every day. But okay, let's go make something to eat. I think I'm gonna make a salad. Let's go make some chicken and yeah. Alrighty guys, I have my lettuce. I like cheese in my salad. I'm a cheese lover, you know? Time for some chicken. Oh my god, this looks so good. One. And then I'll take this little small one. I forgot to show you guys what I drank. This is just a cranberry juice and I'm literally obsessed with it. And they also have like a lemonade one, super good. Hey guys, so I'm at Gio's house right now and I'm just gonna eat this granola bar. This is the Nature Valley cashew one. It is so good and I really recommend this one, but this is my little snack. So I am nice and comfy. I put on my favorite t-shirt and now it's time for some dinner. I don't know if I wanna just warm up some leftover pasta from the other night, or I actually bought this the other day, some cauliflower pizza. I've tried it once, but it wasn't this brand, but it was good. So I don't know if I want to make this or if I just want to warm up something. I kind of want both. Okay, I decided we're gonna go with the pizza. It looks really, really good, and I had pasta the other night, so now we can have some pizza. Dude, come here. Me or her? Let's make pizza. I'm gonna stop talking. That's gonna rack. All right, we're gonna let that preheat. And actually, let me put the pizza, where's the pan? Oh, it's up here. And then, oh gosh. Our pizza is done. Ooh, oh, it's about to slide off. Okay, there we go. Look at this pizza, guys. Oh my God, she's beautiful. So makeup is off. My face feels amazing. I was gonna eat my leftover munchies from the other day that I had that I didn't finish. It is cake batter, which is my favorite. It is so good. But sorry if I'm whispering, like everyone's sleeping. But my mom made my favorite tea, so I had to go with the tea because it's so good. It's literally my favorite. It's just like apple, cinnamon, lemon. Oh, I don't remember what else she put in it. Honey. But it is so bomb. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my what I eat in a day. Obviously, it's not always like this. I do snack more than I eat sometimes, or I'll eat more or less, like just depends on at what time I wake up and how much I eat, how much water I drink, because I get bloated very easily and I just don't get super hungry. But I do like to snack. I am a snacker. I love granola bars, and I don't even know, fruits, cookies if there are. My mom doesn't buy that many snacks, so I'm very limited. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already. I love you guys so much. I'm gonna go enjoy my tea and then go to sleep. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.